Hey everyone, welcome back to Leak Code Unlocked. In today's GFG problem of the day, we'll be solving a very straightforward yet important problem, max sum in subarrays. This one tests your ability to spot and use a fixed-size sliding window. One of the most common patterns in array problems. You're given an array of integers. Your task is to return the maximum sum of any two consecutive elements. In other words, among all adjacent pairs in the array, we need to find the one with the highest sum. This problem is a classic example of a sliding window of size 2. We move through the array from the second element to the end. At each step, we add the current element and the previous one, and keep track of the maximum sum seen so far. Let's go step by step. Here's how it works. We initialize ands equals 0. Then, for every index starting from 1, we calculate the sum of ri-1 and ri. We update ands with the maximum of itself and the current sum. After the loop ends, we return ands. Let's dry run this code with the input 2, 7, 4, 1, 8. At I equals 1, 2 plus 7 equals 9. Max equals 9. At I equals 2, 7 plus 4, 11. Max equals 11. At I equals 3, 4 plus 1, 5. Max stays 11. At I equals 4, 1 plus 8 equals 9. Max stays 11. Final result, 11. This is a single pass through the array. So, time complexity, O(n), space complexity, O(1), super efficient. And that's how you solve max sum in subarrays using a sliding window of size 2. It's a great warm-up for more complex window-based problems. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Leak Code Unlocked, and keep practicing with our daily GFG and Leak Code solutions. See you in the next one.